Hey everyone, in this video I'll share with you the reverse factory pattern. It looks like this. Let's do it. So we'll do some drills with 2 bars first. So the first drill is tossing it up and down with one of your hand like this. Just get very comfortable tossing it up and down. And then the second drill you want to get comfortable with is tossing both of the ball into the air, but having one of your hand reach to the other side to grab it and bring it down in a 90-degree angle. So this hand right here will reach over to grab it and bring it down at a 90-degree angle, while this hand is just going to catch the ball that's falling down on this side. So now the third drill is kind of a combination of both of the first and second drills, just like maybe half of the first and half of the second. So while this one is continuously going like this, use one hand to grab it to the other side. So again, you grab the outside ball. The outside ball is the ball that's further away from the middle. So while this one's going up and down, right now the outside ball is a yellow ball. So with 3 balls, it's a combination of all 3 of the patterns. So you can notice this hand, all it's doing is up and down like this. And this hand, you'll release this ball and then grab the ball that's on the opposite side, form a L, a 90-degree angle, and bring it back down. So that's it. That was the reverse factory pattern. If the tutorial was helpful, remember to click on the like button below and subscribe to the channel for other videos. See ya!